Okay, we're back here on which day is it? It's Monday, of course. Um, yeah, we have a no news day, no news Monday. Let's quickly start and quick, quickly explain what I'm thinking, what how I think about the market. So on the daily, we took the minor sell side right here, or like a good sell side. So on the weekly, and it hit the weekly order block right here, and it reacted from it. Let's quickly look at the monthly first. So we have a down month right here. I expect it to close as a down month, and this is the last week of the month. So yeah, it's kind of quickly remove this. It's not the easiest day because I am still bearish. I'm not shifting towards higher. I want to see this reclaimed, and I'm really confident for it to drop into here. But for now, we just kind of um, like took the sell side, went in a weekly order block, and just went higher. And we're now on the high of the RTH of the new week opening above 13 October. And we have previous day high right here. That's here, this high. I mark this high because it's equal. And as you see, we also have buy side. So with buy side, with sell side, I still expect price to go and maybe trade into here. Not completely bullish yet, and I'm not completely bearish after taking on this target right here. So what can we do? It's kind of hard here on a Monday. That's the reason why I'm not gonna force anything, of course. We're only gonna trade the macros around the macros because it's a Monday with no news. I don't wanna risk. I'm not gonna trade outside of the macros. I like this liquidity here. Liquidity right here. So yeah, and I like this liquidity. So what you kind of want to see is okay, it'll straight up and then go lower. And the maximum I would say where it can go is this level right here, RTH of 20 right here. This level, if you go through that, then it's kind of going through like the threshold as well of the daily order block right there. The threshold of it. If you go through this, we have also some balanced price right here. Look at this, it's balanced. We shouldn't really have interest in going into there. If we do, we go and don't stop at the low or trade inside of it, then I would probably say that Monday high of previous week is going to be some sort of target. So that's kind of how we look at the market. If you go here, I would be interested in some side kind of short. And if I don't have the signs, don't have the video base, don't have the right time for it, then I would simply say, okay, I'm not interested. So we have opened up right here. This low. Nine. You see, we just read it up after open, and we have first presented of Monday right here. This is this level. FP1. Here is where we opened. Market maker sell, market maker buy, and we now completed it. And now it's like, okay, we are still bearish, but how deep are we gonna go, and what's gonna give, what is price gonna give to me? Otherwise, we could maybe even shift and say, okay, we're gonna go towards this price right here. But for now, we're still looking for lower prices. Just open up and wait it instant higher. I see this as a manipulation. Let's see around here needs to be around where I want to see, okay. Not gonna go too much. I think NQ is gonna go into this first presented, and ES is gonna go and hit the sell side. So that means that we're gonna have some sort of SMT. We have more sell side. Look at this right here. We have to still has beautiful sell side, of course. We have now hit the upper portion of the range. Now we want to see it go to sell side because I'm still bearish. gonna see this reverse as well. So we do have SMT right here that I don't really like. Okay, I'm inside of the trade. And I'm also inside of it. Stop buy right here. Our stop is gonna be here. I'm not confident in the trade anymore. And that could I could have gone out with like 160 loss and just say, okay, we lost right here, now we're just gonna wait again. But I didn't do that. I didn't really have a point right here where I would say, okay, I wanted 160, just click. And right now I'm just hoping like let's hope that it's gonna go there. And now I'm probably gonna get stopped out with 250 loss. I went out with 150 loss. Okay. So I went out with 150 loss. I'm okay with it. I took it, and we're now just gonna wait. You see also YM going lower, taking down the sell side of London. So you have YM taking London lows, you have ES taking the 9 o'clock low, and then you have NQ not taking any low. It's kind of like now you have to wait for the next macro, so that's what we're gonna do. Wait for the next 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do that, and then maybe I'm gonna do something. Otherwise, I will be done right here for today. Maybe PM. Maybe PM. What I can say. So that will be it for today. Probably will be it for today. Then I will be there maybe tomorrow.